Hi everyone, Dropflies here. I'm on Blacksmith Fork today. This is another river I've never fished before. It's part of my push to not just beat up the middle all the time, the middle Provo that is. So I'm kind of out exploring some new water. It looks a little off color, but the flows look okay. So excited to see what this river has to offer. I had fun last week checking out new water, so hopefully we can have as good of a day as we did last week. So I've come upstream quite a bit. I've finally found some clear water. I tied a caddis on and had a couple come up for it, but didn't pin him. But it's a good sign because it's the first sign of life I've seen. I didn't see anything or spook anything down lower, so I'm gonna fish through this section, hopefully pick up a couple on dries. Let's see how it goes. There's one. Finally, some proof of life. Little brownie. Ate it pretty good though. Come on, get out of there. Oh, that was fun. Oh, quick release. One on the Euro rig. See if we can make something happen in this little run. Oh, one missed it right there. There we go. Another small one. Got him. It's a little bit of a nicer one. It's the nicest fish of the day so far. Still not a big one, but I want one to come up. Release this guy. Okay. Well. Got another little guy on. Oh, wrapped up around you guys. Okay. Ooh, man, I'm just not getting him. That was a nice take right there. Hope you guys saw that one. Wonder if I've got a bad hook on this. That was a nicer fish too. Let's try this inside. If I miss another one, I'm switching flies though. That one missed it too. All right. Changing flies, guys. All right, let's see if this is a stickier hook. Got him. It's a nicer fish. A little bit nicer. Still no giants. But came up and ate corn-fed caddis. Got one. On the Euro rod. That was a real subtle take too. Let's see, what did he take? Took the caddis. Oh. We can do that again. That was another take. Grab flies. I don't. Bummer. That's gonna do it for our day here on Blacksmith Fork. You know, it was a struggle at times, but we managed to get into a few. My hookup ratio wasn't that great. I guess we were getting the takes that to have a nice day, but we just didn't quite put it all together. It's a beautiful canyon. It was a nice day. Just wish we could have brought some nicer and more fish to the net, but all in all, I'd probably come back here again. Seems like it'd be a lot of fun if there were hoppers out, or maybe during the salmon fly hatch that happens out here. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.